Hello, welcome back. It's been a while. It has been a very long time. Anyway, today I'm going to go and pick the caravan up and give it a clean. And it's the first time we've moved it since last October. So it's just been sat in the storage. I'm going to bring it home. It needs a good... Inside's okay. The outside needs a good wash, but I'll show you in a second. Now, obviously we changed our tow car. We've got this Ford Cougar and it's got the factory fitted tow bar on it. Now somebody told me about this because the tow bar swings underneath the vehicle and you've got a cap on. Somebody, I can't remember who it was, mentioned that it gets full of water and gets rusty, and that's what's happened. So I was going to go and pick the van up now, but unfortunately I'm going to be standing here for the next half an hour trying to clean this tow ball up. I'll show you what it looks like. Now, because it's been sat upside down, you can see it just looks an absolute mess, and I'm not putting the van on that, so I'm going to get cleaning. Some wet and dry, might need a bit more than that, but I'm going to try and get that cleaned up. Right, it's not perfect, but it's better than it was. I'm going to spray some brake cleaner on that when I get up to the caravan, and then that'll be right. Well, you can tell how long it is since I've done this, because I forgot my drill for the windy legs. I'll have to do it with the motor mover winder. I've got that in here somewhere. Completely forgot it. You notice there's no cushions in at all. We've taken them out, and we bought one of them vac spot cleaners, and we've taken them home to clean them all up. And it's done a really good job. I'll show you the results of that. I was going to film it, but it was done while I was at work, so I didn't see the process. So yeah, I'm just going to put the mirrors on and secure a few things and get it back home. Right, all locked up. I know caravan vlogger will say I'm not a professional caravaner because I'm checking my lights, but it hasn't been moved for 7 months, so I am just gonna quick cursory check. Right, so the name of the game today is to get this van clean, because it is absolutely manky, filthy. So let's get the hose pipe on it. All down there, it's just grubby. Let's get it clean. I think we might do the roof first. Let's have a look at the roof from upstairs, see what that looks like. So cleaner of choice, I'm going to use Phoenix caravan cleaner, and then black streak remover. I've only got a bit of that, but I dilute it, and then all-eye wheels for the wheels, big brush and a cloth. Let's get crack-a-lacking. Right, it's back in storage now, all cleaned on the outside. I'll show you that in a minute. In the inside, I'll show you these cushions. We've cleaned them with a vac spot cleaner. They do smell a lot better, and actually they are a lot cleaner. They've come up quite a bit brighter, so they are looking, an Amazon delivery, a lot better. A few trims just need to pop back on when we get on site. That's already going away in a couple of days. I've not cleaned the windows. I need to do them. I was going to do them at home, but I don't know why I didn't. I'm going to do them when I'm on site. I just got delayed doing other things, but yeah, I'll show you outside. So now it is nice and clean, spotless, like a new van. Cleaned all inside, locker doors, all in the trims. All around the back. Oops. And all down this side. All around, all the doors and everything been done. Make sure wheel arches, wheels, yeah, it's looking a lot better. I did the roof as well, did that first, and then did all the outsides. All I've used to clean is I use Fenwick's caravan cleaner, use that, and I've used a bit of the pink stuff as well to get those deep stains off. The pink stuff, I recommend that, it's quite good. It does get those you know, stubborn marks off. Yeah, but that's all ready for going. Just a big thank you to everybody who's still subscribing to the channel. Keep subscribing, hit subscribe, the bell icon, comment, whatever you need to do, and keep following us. I've got some products coming up soon. I know some people don't like product reviews, but one of them's kind of work related, and the other one's not work related. But yeah, I've got those up. You know, agreed to do those. But I'm gonna get some more vlogs out while we're away. Some different things that we've changed and we're trying in terms of the television and stuff like that. So we're trying them. Solar panel is still working well, fine. Let's have a check what that's on. Oh, you know, you can see that there. What is it? About 14 volts, just over. So that's just with one. I've not put the other one on yet. It's just with one flexible solar panel on the roof. It seems to be doing the job really well. Right, anyway, I'm going to go. Thanks for watching. You take care, and we will see you soon. Bye bye.